In this video, we'll show you how you can use the Google Password Manager as the default password manager app on a Samsung phone. So to do this, first open the Settings app. Now scroll down and then tap on Security and Privacy. Now here scroll down again and then select More Security Settings. Now here you will need to select this password, passkeys and autofill. Now under Preferred Service section, tap this gear icon and then select Google from the list. Now hit OK to confirm. Now if Google Password Manager doesn't appear on this list, you can tap on this Add Service to add the Google Password Manager app. Once you have done that, Google Password Manager will be set as the default password manager. Still, you can also use other services by enabling this toggle. So you can use Samsung Pass, Bitwarden and Microsoft Authenticator as well. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Good.